In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Lightning record page. Salesforce. If you're looking to tailor the experience users have when they open a record, a Lightning record page is the way to go. It lets you decide which components appear, how they're arranged, and how information is prioritized, all without code. Start from any app in Lightning Experience. Head to the top right and click the gear icon, then choose Open Advanced Setup. This takes you into the full setup area where you can manage objects, pages, and more. On the left, you'll see a search box called Quick Find. Type Object Manager and select it from the results. Object Manager is the central place where every standard and custom object lives, so this is where we'll decide which object's record page we want to build. From the list, pick the object you want to create a Lightning record page for. This might be accounts, opportunities, cases, or a custom object, whatever best fits your use case. Once you're viewing that object, look at the left pane and click Lightning Record Pages. Here you can see any existing pages and manage them for this specific object. At the top right, click New to start the page creation process. You're now in the Lightning App Builder flow. First, select the page type. Choose Record Page, since we're designing the layout for a single record on that object. This is different from other page types like Home or App Page, and it ensures your layout appears when users open a record. Next, add a clear, descriptive label and select the object. The label helps admins find and maintain the page later, so pick a name that reflects its purpose, like Sales Record Page or Support Layout. Confirm the object selection matches the one you're working on, so your page is tied to the right records. You'll then choose a page template, or you can clone a default template. Templates define the basic structure, how many regions you get and where components will sit. If you want to start from something familiar, cloning the default template is a quick way to keep a similar layout and tweak it. You can preview how different templates arrange content, and you can always adjust your choice later if you need a different structure. And there you go. You're now ready to start customizing your new record page. Drag in components like Highlights panel, related lists, and tabs, set component visibility rules, and arrange the layout to guide your user's workflow. That's all. You've learned the essentials to create a Lightning record page in Salesforce quickly and confidently.